In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Odoo18 quote calculator for your business, specifically focusing on incorporating length and width dimensions, and then modifying the resulting quote PDF. This guide is designed to streamline the process of creating and customizing quotations to meet your specific business needs. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to the Odoo website. Odoo is an all-encompassing suite of business applications that can handle a range of tasks, including customer relationship management, enterprise resource planning, and more. Once you're on the page, your first task is to sign in to your account. Look for the Sign In option, which is usually prominently displayed towards the top of the page. Enter your credentials, and you'll be taken straight to your personal dashboard. This is where all your activities and tools reside, centrally organized for ease of access. Now that you're signed in, navigate over to the dashboard. This is where the magic happens. Your dashboard is the central hub for managing every aspect of your business operations. But today, we'll focus on the quote calculator, so let's keep things on track. From here, proceed to click on Settings. This area allows you to customize various aspects of your Odoo environment to match the specific needs of your business. Once inside the Settings menu, you'll need to dig a little deeper. Click on Technical. This section houses more advanced features and may seem a bit daunting at first, but don't worry, it's laid out quite intuitively. After hitting Technical, you'll find an option labeled Reports. Go ahead and select that, because reports are the backbone of informed business decisions, allowing you to review and modify generated data to fit your unique requirements. In the Reports section, you should see something called Sales Order. This is a standard report that Odoo generates for sales quotations. Selecting Sale.Order will open up the specific settings and options you can modify to tailor the quote's appearance and content. These modifications will directly affect the PDF file that is generated when you finalize a quotation. At this point, you've navigated through to the Sale Order report settings where you can adjust dimensions like length and width, which might be necessary for your particular business. Whether you're in manufacturing, distribution, or any field requiring precise measurements in quotes. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully used Odoo18's quote calculator and have not only generated but also customized your quote PDFs. This process ensures that your business operations continue efficiently and that your documentation is always accurate and impactful. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful Odoo tips and tricks.